What's up, y'all? Welcome to my kitchen again. This is Zeke, also known as the Blind Bearded Chef, and today I'm going to make uh, um, a Biscoff cream cheese pound cake. Okay, I seen this recipe on somebody's page, and today is my niece's birthday, so I say I'm going to make her a birthday cake. So a baker's tip: if you get your if you take your pan that you're gonna use, your this is a 12 or 15 cup um original Bundt pan cake cake pan by Nordic Ware. You take it and spray it with baker's jar, or if you take butter and flour. So prepare it first by spraying it and put it in your freezer or your refrigerator. Let it get cold. And when you get ready to put the batter in it and bake it, the cake is going to fall right off. So let me spray this. Then we'll put it in the freezer and we're going to start on the cake. In my mixing bowl right here, I have 3 sticks of butter. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, which is 1 block. I'm about to put in here 1 cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar, and 2 cups of granulated sugar, or what you all call white sugar. Okay, so we got that in there. Gonna put this on this mixer. I'm using my Cake King mixer. This is a 6.5 quart bowl. Okay, so I got the black and gold one. This is by Jeremy Jones collection. The Cake King. I don't think he's selling them anymore. And so I'm about to whip this. I'm about to whip this for about 5 to 10. No, I'm gonna say about 10 minutes until it get good and creamy. I'm gonna scrape the sides down, and then I'll show y'all the next step. Okay. All right, y'all. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's lift this up and let's scrape the sides down. This mixer here don't play. And what I like about it, it's not as heavy as that KitchenAid mixer. So let's get your spatula and see, scrape those sides down. Yeah. No matter what mixer you get, you still gotta scrape those sides down. So 5 minutes, scrape it down, put it back on the. And make sure that your butter and your cream cheese and everything you use for this cake is room temperature, as in for any cake. Okay? Let's show you this room temperature. All right. Now, let's put it back on the stand. Okay. Put it down. Let's go for another 5 minutes. Okay. All right. Lift it up again. Scrape those sides down. Okay. And I'm going to start it back up again. So we got the cream cheese and the butter creamed up real good. And I also put in there a tablespoon of Biscoff Cookie Butter. Let me show y'all what it looked like. I got it over here. Right here. Some Biscoff Cookie Butter. So I put a tablespoon of that, okay, in there also. Now we're going to put 6 eggs in here. 1 egg at a time. You know you got to crack your egg. Let me crack. Okay, you got to crack. Make sure it's, you don't put no shells in it. So I'm put 1 egg in this at a time. Okay. 6 eggs, about 20 seconds per egg. Okay. Now let's put this in there. And I'll be back. All those eggs in there. You all remember? No, well, yeah. I made my own vanilla bean paste a few weeks ago. Well, it's ready. because vanilla bean paste is so expensive. So I'll show you how to make your own. So I have a video on my YouTube page, Blind Bearded Chef Zeke, to show you how to make your own vanilla bean paste. So I'm using 1 tablespoon. Okay, look at that. Good homemade vanilla bean paste. So I need 1 tablespoon of that. Y'all know 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. Okay, so got that in there. Okay, now I want it all. I want it all. Now mix this in here. All right, 2 more steps, y'all, and I promise we're gonna put this cake in the oven. In my bowl right here, I have 3 cups of Swan Downs Cake Flour. This cake flour is already sifted. I have 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and I have 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. So let's start off with 1 cup. So we're gonna just stir this in. So we're gonna put a cup up in our bowl like that. Okay. We don't ever want to over mix a cake. It'll make it bad. It'll make a tough crumb. Okay. And like I said, we're just gonna put it on 1 like that. Just gonna stir it in. So I'm gonna stir that in for a few seconds, and then I'm going to put in the 2nd cup. And after that, we'll put in about a 1.5 cups of Biscoff cookies that I crushed up. Okay, be right back. Okay, there go our batter. So I'd like to take my spatula, go around here, just in case there's any flour that I left. Incorporated into the batter. Okay, so let's do that. Now, right here, I have a 1.5 cups of Biscoff cookies. I crushed them up, and I throw that in there. And we're gonna get our cake pan out of the freezer. I'm gonna bake this in a cold oven at 325. When I mean bake at a cold oven, it means put the batter into the cake pan, put it in the oven, then turn the oven on. We're gonna bake this slow. It's gonna take about an hour and 15 minutes or hour and 20 minutes. Okay, so fold that in there. Let's go get the cake pan. Got the cake pan out of the freezer. You'll see how the baker's jar has attached to the pan. Okay, now let's scoop our batter up in here. All right, in the oven she go. See y'all in an hour and 20 minutes. Oh, let me get it. It's been in there 17 minutes. I tested it at 60 minutes and it wasn't all the way done. So I put 10. So we did 17 minutes. Let's get our strewer. Sorry. Go in there like that. Look at that. See, a little crumb come out, but not that much. That means that it is. See there? It's done. So we're gonna let this cool for about. I'll let my cakes cool about 10 minutes and I'll flip them over. Be right back to show y'all how it's gonna look. Hope it come out this pan. Been 10 minutes. Let's flip this bad boy. So you take your cooling rack and you flip it on there because I'm gonna frost it on there too or glaze it. You know I'm glazing it with the Biscoff cookie butter. You hear my dogs outside barking. They want to come back in. Nope, I'm baking. So let's take it. Let's flip it. Not bad for a blind man, huh? Okay, let's do tap, 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 tap. I always like to tap. Okay. Now, y'all quit all that noise out there. Y'all not coming back in here till I finish baking. Okay. Now, this these Nordic wares are so heavy. It's still hot, but I'm gonna have to. Let's see here. Come on. All right. Hi, look, y'all. I always check inside my thing to make sure. And there we go. Let me put this in the sink. Put this in the sink. All right. Now look at there. See if y'all can see it. Okay. There go the Biscoff cream cheese cake. Now let it cool, and then I'm just gonna drizzle some cookie butter, the Biscoff cookie butter on top, and maybe a little chocolate. Okay. All right. So you get you some cookie butter. I guess about a cup and a half. Put in the microwave and melt it. And put your cake on some parchment paper or some wax paper. Keep it on the thing right here. And I'm just gonna take it and I'm going to drizzle this all over the cake the best way I can. So I'm gonna drizzle the whole cake, and then I'm going to crush some cookies on top. Okay, be right back. All right, y'all, there you go. There go the cream cheese Biscoff pound cake for my niece for her birthday. Happy birthday, baby Zoe. Happy 27 or 28, one to grow on, something like that. So there we go, y'all. I guess I might cut it. She won't mind. Bye, y'all. There we go.